Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a dolly zoom effect in CapCut PC. This is a great effect to learn because it can instantly make a normal clip feel more dramatic, intense, and cinematic without needing advanced editing skills. If you want to give your footage that dramatic, cinematic Hollywood-style look, where the background seems to stretch or warp while your subject feels locked in place, CapCut makes it surprisingly simple. You do not need to build the effect manually from scratch. Instead, you can apply a built-in effect and then adjust it so it matches your clip properly. This type of effect is useful for emotional moments, suspense scenes, music videos, travel edits, reaction shots, or any clip where you want the viewer to feel a sudden shift in mood or focus. Start by moving your mouse to the top left menu bar inside CapCut and clicking on the Effects tab. This is where CapCut stores all of its visual effect tools. Once you are inside the Effects section, look over to the sidebar under Video Effects. From there, scroll down and check the categories called Trending or Opening and Closing. These sections are where CapCut may place more advanced, lens-based animation effects, including the one we need for this look. If you do not see it right away, do not worry, because CapCut sometimes moves effects into different categories depending on the version or update. Next, browse through the effect thumbnails until you find the preset called Dolly Zoom. Take your time here because, depending on your version of CapCut, you may need to scroll a little before it appears. Once you find it, click the blue plus sign on the corner of that effect card. As soon as you do that, CapCut will apply the effect to your project. In many cases, it will automatically analyze or track the frame and place a purple effect bar directly onto your timeline, which makes the process much faster and easier. This is helpful because you can create the look in just a few clicks instead of manually keyframing zoom, scale, and motion settings. After the effect appears on the timeline, the next step is to make sure it covers the full section of video where you want the background warping to happen. Click on the purple effect bar and drag its outer edges so that it stretches to match your video clip. The goal here is to line it up cleanly with the camera movement in your footage. If the effect bar is too short, the dolly zoom may stop too early. If it is too long, it may affect parts of the clip where you do not want that dramatic visual distortion. A good tip is to use it only on the strongest part of the shot, especially when your subject is clearly visible and the background has enough detail to show the stretching effect. Once everything is lined up, play the clip back and watch the result. You should now see that signature dolly zoom style effect, where the background shifts in a striking, almost surreal way, while the subject feels more stable in the frame. It is a fast way to create a polished, high-impact camera warp without complicated editing. If the effect feels too strong or happens at the wrong moment, you can simply adjust the purple effect bar again until the timing feels smooth and natural with your footage. And that is it. With a single effect overlay and a quick timeline adjustment, you have created an advanced multi-lens optical warping look right inside CapCut on PC. Once you understand this method, you can use the dolly zoom effect to add tension, emotion, or cinematic movement to your edits whenever a simple cut feels too plain.